Endeavour, your go at throttle up. There's no action on the left RCS messages. We'll have words later.
No go at throttle up. Copy, no action on the RCS message match.
Endeavour's heading out 51,000 feet in altitude, 10 miles from the Kennedy Space Center, downrange 11 miles. Three hydraulic systems in good shape, as are the electricity producing fuel cells. Three good main engines at 104% of rated thrust. Coming up on staging, the burnout of these twin solid rocket boosters at 2 minutes 5 seconds. SRB separation confirmed. The onboard guidance system has done its job of settling out and any of the dispersions introduced at booster separation. Endeavour is 50 miles from the Kennedy Space Center at an altitude of 200,000 feet or 38 miles, traveling 3,900 miles per hour.
Endeavour, 2-engine Zaragoza.
2-engine Zaragoza.
Three good main engines, but Endeavour can reach Zaragoza in Spain in the event of a single engine failure. Time 3 minutes into the flight. Endeavour is traveling 4,300 miles per hour, 82 miles from the Kennedy Space Center at an altitude of 48 miles. All systems aboard the shuttle are in good shape. The three main engines still at 104% of rated thrust. Three good hydraulic systems and fuel cells producing electricity for the vehicle. 3.5 minutes into the flight, Endeavour is 115 miles downrange at an altitude of 55 miles or approaching 300,000 feet.
Endeavour, negative return.
Endeavour is negative return.
Endeavour for Dom, the FES is shut down. We'll take step 1 of evap out T-high.
Evap out T-high, step 1.
Endeavour can no longer return to the Kennedy Space Center in the event of an engine failure, but all three are in good shape. Crew performing a procedure to recover the flash evaporator system. That's no issue for launch. The vehicle is 214 miles downrange.
Endeavour, press to ATO.
Endeavour copies, press to ATO.
Endeavour can reach orbit on 2 engines should one fail. However, all three are still at full throttle. Time 5 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight. Endeavour is 294 miles downrange at an altitude of 67 miles.
Endeavour, single engine ops 3.
Endeavour, single engine ops 3.
Endeavour, press to MECO and single engine Zaragoza 104.
Endeavour, press MECO, single engine Zaragoza 104.
Endeavour can reach a safe orbit on 2 engines now as the vehicle is rolling to a heads-up position for good communications through the tracking and data relay satellite system.
Endeavour, your shutdown plan is nominal. You are go for the plus X, no go for the pitch.
And go for the plus X.
Six minutes 45 seconds into the flight, Endeavour is 486 miles from the Kennedy Space Center at an altitude of 65 miles.
Endeavour, single engine press 104.
Endeavour, single engine press 104.
And Endeavour can reach orbit on 1 engine should 2 fail at this point, but all 3 are still performing well.
Okay, Jim, thanks.
Flash evaporator system operating in its backup or standby or secondary system. All cooling on board in good shape. Hydraulic systems, fuel cells also in good shape. 7 minutes 30 seconds into the flight. Standing by for throttling to maintain the 3 times gravity on the vehicle and the crew on board. Endeavour is traveling 16,000 miles per hour, downrange 780 miles, altitude 64 miles. Standing by for main engine cutoff confirmation. Main engine cutoff confirmed. Standing by for separation from the external tank. Endeavour flying away from the external tank. The new flash system illuminating the external tank as the orbiter moves away from...
Nominal MECO, OHMS 1 is not required.
Endeavour copies. OHMS 1 not required.
And Dom, we have no follow-ups for you at this time for evap out T-high or left RCS jets.
Endeavour copies. Thanks, Jim.
Flight Director Brian Lunny polling